If your Epic Games launcher keeps showing an offline status or connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can get you back online fast. This is one of those annoying issues that can happen because of your internet connection, server outages, date and time mismatches, or launcher permissions. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, before changing anything on your computer, restart your router. Power off your router completely, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This refreshes your internet connection and can clear temporary network issues that may be causing the Epic Games launcher to think you're offline. Once your internet is back up, open your browser and check the Epic Games server status page. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. Epic services may be having an outage or maintenance. If the servers are down, the launcher may show offline no matter what you do, so it's always worth checking this first. If the servers are working normally, the next thing to do is make sure your Windows time is synchronized. An incorrect system clock can cause login and connection problems because Epic Games relies on secure authentication. To fix this, right-click the time on your taskbar, open date and time settings, and turn on automatic time and time zone if they are not already enabled. Then click sync now if that option is available. After that, restart the Epic Games launcher and see if the status changes from offline to online. If you still see the error, the next fix is to run the launcher as an administrator. Close the launcher completely, then right-click the Epic Games launcher shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to connect properly, update services, and load your account information. If that works, you may want to always run it with admin privileges by opening the shortcut properties and adjusting the settings there. But if the issue continues, there's another helpful fix you can try by modifying the shortcut target. This method forces the launcher to use a different network handling mode and can resolve some connection issues. To do this, right-click the Epic Games launcher shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, look for the target field. Click at the very end of the text in that field, press space once, and then add -http equals wininet. Make sure it looks exactly like the original shortcut path followed by a space and then -http equals wininet at the end. After that, click apply and then OK to save the change. Now launch Epic Games again using that modified shortcut and check if the offline error is gone. This small change can help the launcher communicate more reliably with Epic's servers on some Windows systems. If you're still having trouble after trying all of these steps, you can also restart your PC one more time and launch Epic Games again after a fresh boot. In many cases, combining these fixes will solve the problem completely. So to recap, restart your router, check the Epic Games server status, sync your Windows time, run the launcher as administrator, and if needed, add -http equals wininet to the shortcut target. Those are the main fixes that usually resolve the Epic Games offline status connection error. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.